The Trump administration has announced a new co-deputy director to help lead the FBI. Missouri Attorney General Andrew Bailey will serve alongside the current deputy director, Dan Bongino. Back in 2024, Bailey asked the Supreme Court to step in blocking sentencing during New York's criminal case against Trump. CBS News Justice Department reporter Jake Rosen joins us now from Washington. And Jake, always good to chat with you about all this. I mean, it certainly stands out, a co-deputy director. Is that a surprising move? And does it reveal anything about the future of Bongino?
It is, and I think it is for a couple of reasons. The first of which, obviously, is that Bongino, while he was a former Secret Service officer turned media personality, has never ran an organization this large and was never an FBI officer or agent. Neither was Mr. Bailey. Bailey is an Army veteran who was a prosecutor in Missouri, obviously then got elected to the state's highest prosecutor office. But you have to remember that he does not have this experience either. When you pair them together, and on top of obviously the drama around Bongino's absence for a day at work during the Jeffrey Epstein rollout of the Department of Justice and FBI memo that the Trump administration is still dealing with, it's certainly a stark moment for the Trump administration to potentially, maybe alleviate that burden on the day-to-day operations of running such a large department that, as we've covered all week, is engaged in so much, from immigration enforcement to the day-to-day work of the FBI to now patrolling the nation's capital. And on top of all of that, bringing in somebody new to the fold, it certainly provides, an additional assistance, but B, this is a Trump political ally who certainly is being brought into federal law enforcement as another, starch departure from the day-to-day work that the FBI usually does.
And Jake, on another front, we should also mention Washington, D.C. now preparing for yet more National Guard deployments. Where exactly are these troops going in the city? Are these high crime areas?
Well, CBS has some new reporting about where these National Guard officers are going to be. They're going to take over and patrol some metro stations here. That's the equivalent of the subway. In addition to, as you see on your screen here, the pictures of patrolling around the Capitol, the White House, transit hubs in the city. At the same time, these officers are not doing the arrest work that the federal law enforcement officers are doing right now. They're just in this kind of administrative assistance role, helping policemen. They're, really not doing the day-to-day patrolling of the streets. That obviously could change, and the White House has not ruled out potentially arming these officers. But right now, as more and more states come, the city's mayor, Muriel Bowser, has said really there's no reason for more National Guard troops, and that really what was in place, those initial 800 D.C. National Guard service members, were enough to patrol the city and help make it safer over the kind of this 30 to 60-day stretch here.
Yeah, and yet they keep on coming. Jake Rosen, thank you very much.